Hey everyone, if you're new here, my name is Aaliyah, and if you aren't, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I like to 2-strand twist my 4C hair, so if you're interested, just keep watching. Disclaimer, I feel like I'm fighting off the beginnings of a cold, so if you can hear it in my voice, just bear with me. I'm starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair that is about 90% dry, I would say. First, I'm going to section my hair off, which is pretty easy since it's already in twists, leaving one twist out to work on. In my spray bottle, I just have plain water and I'm going to spray my hair until it's damp, not soaking wet. I like to do a bit of finger detangling while I wait for that water to absorb. For my leave-in conditioner, I just whipped up a quick batch of the KIMMAYTUBE leave-in, and if you've been on YouTube for a while, I'm sure you know exactly what this is. If you aren't familiar with it, it's basically just a pH balanced leave-in conditioner, and it's really simple to make. The original recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of Kinky Curly Not Today, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of castor oil. I'll leave more information about it down below in the description box. After my leave-in, I move on to my cream. Today I'll be using one of my favorites, which is the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream. And after working that in from ends to roots, I detangle with my Denman brush. When I reach the end of my twist, I make sure to do a nice finger coil. Since I've already added leave-in to this entire larger section, I'm just going to continue adding my curl defining cream, detangling, and then twisting all the way down to the end before I finger coil. As you'll see in a second, I ended up splitting that first section into 4 twists in total. I'm going to continue off camera and then I'll come back when I'm closer to the front. I'm down to my last 4 sections, and the only difference is these sections are smaller than the ones in the back, so I usually only split these into 2 twists. Once again, I spray my hair with water, then do a bit of light finger detangling. Next up is my leave-in. I follow that up with my cream. Finally, I detangle with my Denman, twist all the way to the end, and then finger coil for good measure. If I wanted to wear a twist out, I would just let these air dry for 2 or 3 days and then unravel, but these are actually going to be a protective style, so I'm going to be leaving them in for 2 weeks. From here, I could pin them up into a style or pull them back into a bun, but I'm fine with them the way that they are. My hair feels super soft and moisturized. This is definitely one of my favorite protective styles, and I don't care how long I'm natural, I will always default to a good old 2-strand twist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite protective style is down below in the comment section. Please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good day, mama. Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some ice, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the head